Okay, so we've just got into the Efteling Park. It's very, very impressive entrance. So we have no idea where we're going. So where are we going first? This spooky ride? Right. Yeah, it's absolutely no clue. We've done very little research. So I'm just going to have to go with what we've got on the map. So yeah, looks good so far, good theming. So down that way we think Symbolica's down there. We're not sure though. And we think this is going to be the haunted house. It looks quite... Oh, it's quite cooling here, isn't it?
Yeah, this looks...
It does look haunted here, yes.
Yeah, this...
Hey, it spooks a lot, yeah. Oh, that's quite good. So yeah, haunted house first. Spook slot. Okay, so we just come out of Spook lot, and it was certainly different, wasn't it? It was rubbish. It was good. We expected it to be a ghost train, didn't we? But it wasn't. It was.
Daddy, but Mummy said there's 2 ghost trains.
Yeah.
Like that is a bin.
That's a bin.
Papier.
Papier. But yeah, Spook a lot. It was different. It wasn't what I was kind of expecting. But it was okay. It was all right.
What was that?
No idea. I think we just walk around and we'll find stuff.
I think, to be honest, we just need to find the bearings at the moment.
Yeah. This is beautiful. This is. I mean.
It's a bit weird, being in a massive, like...
Yeah. Big Dutchman. Well, there's Python. There's a lot of big rides around here. Oh, look at that. So we've got three big rides around here. You've got the Python, the big Woody, and then this thing. I think we'll go on this. Oh, look at this. This is... Oh. You want to go on this? This is the water coaster here. This looks amazing theming, this does. Look at that. 40 minutes. So we've just been on the Flying Dutchman ride, and it was really good. Really good ride. Nice drop on the first drop there, going down, and then it comes round and then back round into a water drop there. So yeah, it was really impressive. What do you think of the Flying Dutchman? Yeah, he said it was a bit short. It was only about a 2-minute ride, but there was some impressive features inside. There was a nice kind of water screen with some projections, and then there was more projections in there. Got a little bit wet inside, didn't you? And then there was your legs are cold. It is a bit chilly today. It's clouded over slightly, but should warm up in a bit. So you've got 2 trains on this one. You've got a red and a blue, and you've got just down here on the left-hand side here. You have one of the most impressive themed vending machines I've ever seen. It's a Coca-Cola machine, drinks machine. Just here on the right. How impressive is that? Okay, so just been on the wooden roller coaster.
Wait, what?
George and the Dragon.
Wait, what? Mummy's team lost, but the flag went wrong. Mummy's team was supposed to go, win, but the flag went the wrong way.
Yeah, we definitely won because our train won and Fiona said hers won as well. But I say a flag comes down, as I showed you earlier, when you actually win. So
when Reds were in the lead when we went up, but as soon as on the first bit, but when we got like here, we went zoom and they went.
yeah, good wooden roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good wooden.
I would definitely want to go on that again.
Well, yeah, we are. We're going to do the red side next time, aren't we?
No, I'm not.
Oh yeah, we've got to try both. See what your favourite one is. Two, yeah?
Of course it's going to be right wood.
Yeah. So yeah, no, it was good. Good wooden coaster. We're going to probably go on this Python one tomorrow. Again, it's a 1.20 m, so plenty short enough for Molly to get on it. So yeah, we'll probably go on that tomorrow. Just have a bit more of an explore around in this area. Just try and get bearings for the park. But yeah, good woody. Dad going for the drinks. So I've been very impressed with the theming in here. It's like one of the main restaurants in this area anyway.
Are you the right change?
This is a cool little idea.
Out the way, Molly.
Saves on the queues, just little cubicles filled with snacks. You just put your money in and then you open the door. So yeah, really good way just to beat the queues in the main restaurant. Okay, here's a nice little boat ride.
Okay, we can go on the boat.
And that very weird looking Chinese thing over there.
Just steer them yourself so they're slowly getting pulled.
I think they're slowly pulling you on a track. So yeah, we've just been saying it's not the most impressive park we've ever been to. It's very beautiful, but
It's too spread out.
it is very spread out, yeah. But you know, we've not seen all of it yet, so we'll save judgment till the end of the day. But so far, although the rides have been good, it's not been kind of like Europa or Phantasialand good. So yeah, that may change. Hopefully it will. But it's still good. It's still a good park, but not up to that standard. So we're going on Vogel Rock, 10-minute wait. It's an indoor coaster. Not quite sure, well, I don't know anything else about it to be honest, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. And then I think we're going to go and do that next, the Carnival Festival. Get these two rides done over here. Okay, so we've just done Vogel Rock. That was really good. Much better than one at the Phantasialand. Added some good lighting in there, etc. It's still quite an old ride, but it was okay. I quite like that, so definitely go on that again. So I think we're going to. Have I got this one? It's a Small World sort of ride.
No.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not going to make me feel sick?
No. Okay, it's just been on that carnival ride. It's a Small World, but on a track instead of a boat. I think this one came first. I'm not 100% sure of that, but even so, you can see where the inspiration for it came. But yeah, it was good. Enjoyed that. Okay, just now looking here. It's a bit of a food courty sort of area. So yeah, it's like fish and chips and things, burgers. It's got quite warm now as well, so Magnum bar's doing well.
20 minutes to your island.
All right, 40 minutes. That's even better. There must have been some tickets this morning.
Oh!
Some fast passes.
Only 40 minutes, not long before.
So I'm expecting big things from this.
We've left it till late, which is good.
Yeah, if we'd have come this morning, we'd have been miserable. So yeah, it looks absolutely stunning from the outside. I'll start recording again when we get inside, but so far looks great.
Alle tovertwinkels, hallo allemaal!
Pardoes, onze koninklijke tovenaar.
Wat een saaie boel zeg.
Wat doe jij hier?
Ik heb een veel leuker idee. Geen audiëntie, geen regels, maar ga met mij mee.
Nee.
Een reis door vertrekken vol magie. Het heet hier niet voor niets het Paleis der Fantasie.
On to one through the palace of fantasy. No. Obey the rules. Denk aan de regels.
Transito, culto, fabulu. Trage treden, open nu!
Oeh, love that. Wow.
There we go, we're going through there.
Ja, dit, ja.
Voorzichtig. Het is ongehoord wat er gebeurt met de tuin. What's happening? What's happening with the stairs? No. Stop.
Oh, they
Water, uh-oh. It's gonna crack. Cracking. Music tour.
Hier naartoe. Hier is het veilig.
Oh. Very impressive.
De bron van alle magie.
Way. So yeah, really good dark ride. Really impressive. It's interactive, so you can pick which. There's 3 different tours you can do. You can do a music tour. There's a
Heroes Tour and Treasures Tour.
Heroes Tour and Treasures Tour. We've only just done the music tour, so we've got another 2 goes to do on it. But yeah, really impressive. Thought it was visually very good. Yeah. We'll certainly get it done again. I think we're back here tomorrow, so yeah, looking forward to that. Yeah, well done Efteling. Good addition to the park.
Still standing up.
Well,
she
there's
was.
standing up, they're being silly.
Oh, she was.
Yeah, it's a lovely day today.
Beautiful.
That's why I took the views.
Yeah, for the water ride, yeah.
I'm glad we decided to come back today.
Yeah, we were a bit we weren't sure if we were going to come back today, but we decided we needed to because we missed so much during the day, so having a great day today.
It wasn't my fault.
I think we were just a bit flustered yesterday, we didn't know where to go, what to do.
Yeah, I think that was more than we didn't enjoy the park.
Oh,
I'm
I actually can get you.
I'm getting wet. Oh.
I can actually get you.
I can actually get you. That's why I brought you.
Oh, I think my mum might be wet back in the water. Hold on.
Oh, it's a good rapids, this is.
Oh no, they're all standing up, but look, you actually can go under them.
Oh, watch it, bump.
I don't want my life.
Whoa. Okay, so you get a great view from this Chinese pergola ride. So you got Symbolica just here. And there's the entrance over there, just poking out over there. And then you got Baron, 1898. And then the wooden roller coaster, Python. Nice little boat ride we've got to do. Yeah, it's a big park, very big park. And was probably a little bit down on it earlier, but certainly enjoyed it more today, now this afternoon sort of thing.
Sim, die durft dat allemaal. Die durft dus op
Feel safe to let you do, baby.
Go on then, a bit more. That's beautiful. Beautiful.
Joost! Joost!
Joost! Joost, daar ben je!
Joost!
Joost, daar ben je! Antwoord!
It's a madhouse. Time for a ride on Bob.
He took my toy away.
I did, he was naughty. So.
My toy away and never returned.
Okay, we've just been on the bobsleigh. It was quite rough, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Quite a leg basher, but the kids really enjoyed it. Oh, well, we enjoyed it as well. Go. They had a blast on it, but it was quite. You can tell it's quite an old ride. It gets your shins, yeah. But no, it's good. Quite fast as well.
No, you look a bit weird.
No.
Yeah, we look a bit weird.
What was that? No.
I enjoyed that. Quality bobsleigh that was. More snacks, yeah. And we've been earlier, but these are a really good idea. Kind of, you get snacks in there. You can just instead of queuing up inside, if you just want like these chicken stacks that we like, snacks. Sorry. Then you can just put some money in and get it. Or just some mayonnaise. So that's it now for our theme park tour. We've now done Europa Park, we've done Phantasialand, we've done the Efteling, and now we've also done Ireland. It was a little bonus in between. So, and that's it. We've been on Symbolica, the last ride, and I've got to say we've had a fantastic time. There'll be a vlog from each of those places I've just mentioned, and yeah, really good trip to do. It's been in Europe for about 11 days. We've got one more day left, which I'm not going to video. It's at Dutchman, where we're just going to have a day by the beach. It's going to be nicer than today, even though it's clouded over today. It has been a really nice day today, but it's time to go. All in all, fantastic day, and I'm sure we'll do another trip to Europa at some point in the future, because now we've got those annual passes, and yeah, I think a winter trip to Europa rather than a Halloween trip. So yeah, definitely some at winter will probably do it. Anything I'll say now is thanks for watching.